Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question regarding regularization of private vehicles. The Ministry with LT has recognized the growing concern of private vehicles unlawfully operating as public service vehicles. The proliferation of these operators who provide transport services without the requisite permits or adherence to regulatory standards presents a significant challenge. While these unauthorized services may temporarily meet certain transportation demands, they function outside the legal framework, resulting in compromised safety, unfair competition, and with legitimate operators and loss of revenue. However, we should recognize that the demand is there, and some are genuinely serving, for example, after hours and for emergency situations. And LTA and with the Ministry, Department of Transport is looking at regularization pathways of these vehicle owners in order to transition into the legal PSV framework, which may involve creating specific criteria and incentives that will allow them to meet the regulatory requirements, and therefore fostering a more inclusive and compliant transport sector. So it is something which is still under discussion. We are considering it, and given the growing number of illegal operators. But I emphasize that there are various public service permits which are open. For example, the lifting of the freeze has enabled the applications for rental, LR, and LM minibuses and carrier. So these categories, for example, LH authorizes the use of motor vehicle license as hire vehicle with driver provided subject to the Act, and license and permit conditions on a route and for a fare negotiated between the permit holder and his or her driver and the passenger carried, but shall not allow the vehicle to ply or stand for hire for carriage of passengers. And of course the LR, use of a rental vehicle, and there's minibuses and carriers. So these are options available for them to regularize, and the LT is working closely with stakeholders in order to move them away from their current situation of unregularized operations. Thank you.